Got new Tenda AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router. It delivers faster speeds, lower latency, and better coverage for your home. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in just a few minutes using the web interface method. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing and connection. Start by unboxing your router. You'll find the Tenda AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. First, connect internet cable from modem LAN port to Tenda AX1800 WAN port, blue 1. Now connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a wall socket and power on. Step 2. Connecting to the router. First, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network starting with Tenda_X. It does not have a password at this stage. Or connect Ethernet cable from Tenda LAN port to PC or laptop. Step 3. Access router settings. Open web browser and access Tenda default IP address 192.168.0.1. You will get Tenda router page. Press Start button. The router will ask how you want to connect to the internet. Most homes use a cable modem. You will get PPPoE, dynamic and static IP option. Select your internet type and get information from your internet service provider and press Next button. Step 4. Setting up Wi-Fi. In this step, create Wi-Fi SSID and password for your Tenda Wi-Fi router. Enter a name for your 2.4 GHz network and your 5 GHz network. You can choose to keep them the same for seamless roaming or separate. After Wi-Fi, set the login password. For security, you'll need to set an administrator password. This is used to log into the router settings in the future. You can set it the same as your Wi-Fi password for convenience, or create a separate one. Press Next button. The router will now apply your settings. This will take about a minute. Do not turn off the router during this time. Once done, reconnect your phone to your new Wi-Fi network using the password you just created. And that's it. You're now connected to Wi-Fi 6. From here, you can manage your network directly from the app. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more video. Thanks for watching.